Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Austin. Happy birthday to you.
Come on out.
I didn't
Hang them all. There you go.
Oh. Please record upon opening. We would love to see his reaction.
Well, there we go. It's already
This
rolling.
is from Rolling Thunder, New York 5.
No kidding.
Can't wait, I'm excited. Whoop, whoop.
Wow.
Is your 100-year-old wonderful? Dear Mr. Hutton, Rolling Thunder, New York, Chapter 5 greatly appreciates your service to our country. Enclosed is a small gift we send to you with the utmost respect and honor and gratitude, wishing you the very best in your 100th year ahead. Brandy Hempstead, Secretary for Rolling Thunder, New York 5, Albany Chapter.
Isn't that something?
And this is for you from them.
I just look at it. That's all. Okay. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Is that big for you, Kenneth?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you
Very
very much.
good.
Is that awesome?
Yeah, awesome.
And it's just in a protective cover?
Yeah. Okay, I'll take that one right with me.
Thank you, darling.